Okay, example 6 is similar to example 5. We have radicals in both the numerator and denominator. We have multiple terms in both the numerator and denominator. Therefore, we cannot rationalize with a single radical. What we have to do is multiply this fraction by 1 in the form of the conjugate of the denominator over the conjugate of the denominator here. Again, this is a distributive property process, FOIL, if that's what you're comfortable with. And we're going to go through the process, right? So root 3 times root 2 is square root 6. The outer product is going to leave us with square root 3. The inner product is going to leave us with negative square root 2. And the last product here is going to leave us with a minus 1. In my denominator, these are conjugates, so it's going to simplify to a single integer. Square root 2 times square root 2 is 2. The outer product, root 2 times 1 is root 2. The inner product is negative 1 times root 2, or negative root 2. And the last product there is a minus 1 again. These middle terms are always going to simplify to 0. And then I have 2 minus 1 for my denominator, so I'm left with a positive 1 here. And then there's nothing we can do to simplify the numerator. And this is what I meant in my earlier video about sometimes this doesn't look more simple, because you have 3 radicals in the numerator. Root 6 plus square root 3 minus square root 2 minus 1. And this is all over 1. And it would be, you don't have to leave the 1 in the denominator. You can just leave it as root 6 plus root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 here.